Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick an animal card and it went flying. Snow leopard, self-reliance. You are strongly independent and often solitary. Integrity is important for your best outcome. Cloak yourself with invisibility and walk with the shamans. Use your intuition and let your life unfold in silent perfection. All right, let's pick some quotes out of here today. You can't change people, but you can choose what to focus on, change your expectations, change your perspective, practice acceptance and letting go, validate and respect yourself, give yourself compassion and love, express your needs, thoughts, and emotions. May you have the courage to break the patterns in your life that are no longer serving you. You have a place in this world, and there are people who are thankful that you exist. Yes, yes, I hope you know that. The universe doesn't judge you, you judge yourself. The universe doesn't punish you, you punish yourself. The universe is responding to you. It's like a wise mirror. Reclaim your power. I am open to new experiences. I realize my purpose with passion. I am aware that being happy means I'm on the right path for me. Repeat out loud. I am no longer interested in the culture of immediacy. I don't need to do everything right now. I do not need to get everything right now. And I don't need to be everything right now. And the last one today. The power of love unifies all. You are love. Love your temple. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.